Now, important point. This slide is very important because instrumentation is having two parts. So first, we will start from the process instrumentation. Here in the process instrumentation, you are measuring something. Something means that particular parameter. Then you are monitoring against its limits. Then you are recording them. And you are also recording and reviewing them. They are good or bad. And you can also check their validity also. This is very important validity word when you are in the calibration or the audit field. Or nowadays you are becoming the SCADA engineers. So SCADA engineers must know what data is coming, that data is right or wrong, or is garbage in, garbage out. If instrumentation engineer, SCADA engineer or PLC engineer not able to understand whatever data is coming is right or wrong, their programming, their everything will provide the output as a garbage out. No use. Got it? So instrumentation deal with the instruments. Can you tell me at least 15 parameters today? First is the flow, temperature. Third, pressure. Very good. Level. Okay. Vibration, turbidity, density, velocity. pH is not bola. pH we can say pH. How much pH of water? Drinking water. What is the pH of drinking water? Huh? I think 7. You don't think 7. It is 7. So pH. Then what more? You can measure this light also. Luminous. Then when you see the word cup, something is coming on your screen. Sound. dB, 120 dB. So you can say the 12 is the sound. I will just change the color so that you will understand. Okay, what is 13? Sound. Then what you measure?
एयर क्वालिटी मेजर
करते हैं यस करते हैं, इसी में आएगा। वो क्या पैरामीटर होगा? तो दैट पैरामीटर्स आर द सॉक्स एंड नॉक्स, NO, NO2, NO3, SO, SO2, SO3. These are SOx, NOx. That's the opacity, means how much dust in your air. So we can say here SOx and NOx, and we can have a here opacity. And similar way we say turbidity in a water. How much haziness in the water is the turbidity. How much dust particle in the air is the opacity. Good air quality. And next time when you go to the roads and all, there in the industries, they have a board. In that board it displays SOx how much, NOx how much. Huh? Company mein. In that company you can see. Nowadays they say that the pollution control board, CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board, and SPCB, State Pollution Control Board, you have to display what is the air quality at your plant, how much wastewater and the quality of wastewater. Now quality of the wastewater, like the air, quality of wastewater, there are a lot of parameters. That parameters are 15 number is COD, BOD, chemical oxygen demand and biological oxygen demand. Then TSS, total suspended solids. There are some more instruments, they call the 17 VOC, volatile compounds. And if my industry is like, say example of the some metal, heavy metals, then they say iron in the water, grease in the water. So that we also measure. There are a lot of good you came up with the air quality and the water quality. So now how many is there? 16, 17. But we want to discuss only. So you can, if you want, you can take a photograph also, or we will try to give you some notes on this. And weekly exams are based on these. So now we discussed process instrumentation. Why process instrumentation? Because we want to measure something, we want to monitor something, we want to record something, we want to review something. For that I need instruments, and that's called the instrumentation parameters. Basic instrumentation parameter are how many? Basic. What a name? And after that there are many. And one day in one place there are a lot of people, I think your college or something, they identify 75 parameters. Hello, 75 parameters. We are here on 17 only. Okay. Now we are coming to the second part, and that part is the process control. हमको क्या करना था? जो मेरे कांस्टेंट थे उनको लेके आना था, तुम्हारे मार्जिन थे उसके बीच में रखना था. अगर there is something wrong, then it should stop or it pop the alarms to the operators. कैसे होएगा वो तभी होगा जब हमारा जैसा ब्रेन इसके अंदर आएगा. उसको पता है कि मुझे ये चीज यहां पे मेंटेन रखनी है, यहां पे ऐसा होगा तो बोलना है नो, यहां वैसा बोलना होगा तो तू ये कर, तू ये कर, तू ये मत कर. Got it not? This is hot, I cannot touch. It is too cold, थोड़ा ठंडा हो जाने दो, थोड़ा गर्म हो जाने दो उसको. Got it? So whatever things we do, this kind of things with the help of the parameters we do from the process control. So if someone will ask what is instrumentation, then you tell them about the instrumentation, then you tell yourself there are two parts of the instrumentation. One is the PI and another is the PC. In the PI we studied about the instrumentation parameters. We gather the informations, and by the process control I use that parameter for any action, for the action. So here your word of controller is coming. Okay. So in the PLC, if you talk about the PLC, in the PLC, what I am doing? It is the PLC. In the PLC, first I am using the PI. PI are the 5 elements of PLC. Eyes, nose, ear. So it is getting the informations. Then it has its own memory. What is the memory? वो मैं 2 साल पहले वहां गया था बस स्टॉप पे स्वारगेट में, लाल शर्ट वाले लड़के ने मेरा पर्स मार लिया था, तो मैं आज भी लाल कपड़े वाले लड़के से डरता हूं कि पर्स ना मार ले. So it has its own old memory. Based on that, what it do? It gives the outputs. So it is giving the output. So this is the input, this is the output, and how it is giving the output? With the memory, it has the brain. There is a microprocessor. It has the microprocessor, the brain, and there are many other things also. So what it is doing? It is also recording. What it is doing? It is also giving the display. What it is doing? It is also controlling. What it is doing? It is something on or off based on the set points. So all these things your PLC is doing, and we will, when we come to the PLC, we will discuss one by one what are the input output, what are the memories, how this MUP works, how we program in the memory. So we have a control philosophy of something, and that we make in a program, and based on that program, by taking the input, it give you output for switching on, switching off, and by the switching on and off, we can have a many control actions. Clear? If someone will ask you what is PC, what is PI, can you give the answer? Yes or no? Clear हो रहा है ना? क्योंकि this is the basics. We are starting from the बिल्कुल नीचे जा रहे हैं. Then you talk about the controls. So there are a lot of controls. Can you tell me some names of the controls which you studied? Tell me some names of controls. Okay, temperature control. Then I am not talking about this control. I am talking about the knock controllers. What kind of controllers you studied?
DCS, PLC.
Okay, I will write here DCS, PLC. These controllers may have a lot of different control strategies. What they are, I am interested. One I am giving you. One is the manual on off. That is the one. Means मुझे ठंडा लग रहा है, मैंने बंद कर दिया. ये थोड़ी गर्मी लग रही है, 2 नंबर चालू किया, 3 नंबर 4 में चालू किया. That is the manual on off control. What others? Automatic. चलो automatic. ये one is the manual. Good. Second is the automatic. Okay. Then third controller. PI. PID. So third is the PID. So this PID, inside this PID there are a lot of, what are they? In this there is a proportional, integral, but you ever heard there is an integral controller? No, no. Is it a derivative controller? No, no. It's always combination of. So tell me the combinations.
PI.
P, then PI, then PD,
and PID.
and PID. Okay. Right? By changing these three PID, we have a combinations of this. So when we go to the PID, we will also study this, and in the PLC, there is a PID blocks, and with the PID, we will check the how that PID works. But that is advanced. When you in the third month of this, because then you will develop these all basic things. Then आप पकड़ पाओगे. Now you tell me these are the controllers. What are different control schemes? One is on off. What are different control schemes? One is the control scheme. I am giving the example. Okay. One is the ratio. Your controller is working in a ratio. Example is your cold drink. The test, the water and other things are in some ratio. Then only your paints, the color of paint in a ratio. Your food industry, you drink different kind of fruit juices and all are the ratios. Then second one is after ratio, there is a cascade. And then third, tell me. Feed forward. पढ़ा था? हाँ, तो these are important. अभी आपको याद रखना है. Feed forward and more. फीडबैक तो सभी फीडबैक ही है. फीडबैक उधर से आ रहा है, वो आएगा अभी. देन फोर्थ वन इज अ स्प्लिट रेंज. स्प्लिट रेंज, SPLIT IT SPLIT range. Where it is used? I have a steam plant or I have an oxygen plant. So sometimes they are providing steam or the oxygen to some other plant. Sometimes that plant need less oxygen or the steam. But sometimes when it's a full capacity, it needs the lot of steam or the oxygen. I'm giving an example of these two parameters right now. So what we have a one small valve and a one bigger valve. Sometimes they work in a split. That is a 30% open, it is a 40% open. And they complete the demand. Sometimes both are 100%. Now measurement. Say example, orifice plate. You know, turn down ratio of orifice plate is how much? What is the meaning of turn down ratio? So this is very important. You know the basics, instrument characteristics. We will tell you that also. So they cannot handle very low, one orifice cannot handle very low and very high flow. When there is a low flow, by default this line is selected and this orifice is come in the picture for the measurement. When there is a high flow, this will be used. So these are the different ways I use my controller.